Welcome to Welder 31st Week Part 2. Here you can see in Table 2 submerged arc welding parameters for single electrode for butt welds by automatic welding. Electroslag welding and electrogas welding. Introduction. Electroslag welding process is considered as a further development of submerged arc welding and developed for the welding of thick plates with a single pass. With this process, plates of 25 mm or more can be joined without multiple passes and without preparation such as B-level joints, V joints and J joints and U joints, and reduce the twice in fabrication. Principle. The electroslag process is fully automatic. The plates to be joined are kept in vertical position. The axis of the weld joint is vertical. The flux is continuously fed into the area being welded, where it forms a cover of molten slag over the weld metal. This covering of molten slag serves as a major source of heat for the electroslag welding process. The welding takes place in the flat or downhand position with vertical upward travel of the weld pool as shown in Figure 1. The function of welding flux. The welding flux shields the molten metal and reduces oxidation. It cleans impurities from the molten metal. The flux is added in small quantities. Copper dams or shoes. Water-cooled copper shoes contain and confine the molten slag and molten welding metal until it solidifies. The copper shoes accelerate solidification of the weld metal. Advantages: less edge preparation, thicker steel can be welded in a single pass, high deposition rate, residual stresses and distortion low, less flux consumption, no spatter. Application: forging and casting of heavy thickness can be welded. Some alloys such as low carbon and medium carbon steels can be welded. High strength structural steels can be welded. High strength alloy steel such as stainless steel and nickel alloy can be welded. Limitations: this process can be used only for welding of very heavy plates. Equipment: number 1 AC power source, number 2 wire feeder, number 3 electrode guide tube, number 4 control panel, number 5 travel carriage, number 6 water cooled copper shoes. Number 1 AC power source. Electroslag welding requires a power source capable of delivering the AC welding current recommended for this process. The power source is stationary. Number 2 wire feeder. The function of the wire feeder is to deliver the electrode wire through the guide tube to the molten flux. Number 3 electrode guide tube. The tube is insulated materials to avoid short circuiting. It is made of beryllium copper alloys because this alloy can withstand higher temperature and retains its strength. Number 4 control panel. It consists a mounting near the welding head which has the following components: ammeter, voltmeter and a remote control for each of the power source, a speed control for each wire drive motor, alarm systems for equipment mall. Number 5 travel carriage. All functions of the machine are controlled from a panel located at the vertical transport carriage assembly. Number 6 water cooled copper shoes. The copper shoes accelerate solidification of the weld metal. The functions of the copper shoes are to maintain the molten metal and molten slag until it solidifies. Electrogas welding. Electrogas welding is an automatic welding process that uses a carbon dioxide or a mixture of CO2 and argon shielding gas to protect the arc and molten weld metal from atmospheric contaminants. This process may be carried out by two methods. Number 1 solid electrode process, number 2 flux cored electrode process. Number 1 solid electrode process. In this process generally single electrode is fed into the joint. Two electrode can be used for welding of thick plates. The shield is done by the CO2 gas and no extra flux is required. Number 2 flux cored electrode process. In this process electrode with flux is fed into the joint and a thin layer of slag on the top of molten pool. The shielding is done by flux. Electrogas welding equipment and supplies. The equipment of electrogas welding are similar to electroslag welding, but the difference is shielding gas. Number 1 AC power source, number 2 water cooled copper shoes, number 3 welding gun, number 4 wire feeder, number 5 shielding gas, number 6 control pane. Applications. It is used for welding of thick plates in vertical position. It can be applied on carbon steel and alloy steel. Advantages. Number 1. Welder can see the welding pool easily. Number 2. Restarting the weld is easier. Disadvantages. It is not suitable economical for welding metal lesser than 25 mm thick. Thank you.